Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the Amazon Basics 500-watt multi-speed immersion hand blender. Touted as one of the best handheld blenders in the market. We'll explore its features, performance, and see if it lives up to the hype. Let's get started. The Amazon Basics hand blender is designed for versatility in the kitchen. Whether you're blending soups, sauces, or whipping up smoothies.
It boasts a powerful 500 watts of blending power and comes with multiple speed settings to handle various ingredients and textures.
Let's talk about what sets this blender apart. Firstly, it features an elongated, detachable blending stick which allows for easy use in tall containers and deep pots, giving you flexibility in your cooking.
The stainless steel hardware ensures durability, while the silicone non-slip grip enhances comfort and control during blending. In terms of performance, this blender excels in both hot and cold liquids, reducing splattering and spillage with its ergonomic design.
The multiple speed settings and a lock-by-unlock button provide precise control over blending consistency,
making it suitable for a wide range of recipes.
Moving on to its design, the Amazon Basics hand blender is compact and designed for easy storage, fitting neatly into drawers or cabinets.
To wrap it up, the Amazon Basics 500-watt multi-speed immersion hand blender delivers on its promise of versatility and performance.
Whether you're blending, pureeing, or emulsifying,
this blender handles the task with ease.
If you're in the market for a reliable handheld blender that doesn't break the bank, this could be the one for you.
If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased product reviews.
Also, let me know in the comments if you've tried this blender or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.